Evening, folks. DC Works here. Been working on my hutch for the toolbox. And sadly to say, I've only got one thing to hang, but this vice grip holder. And no, they don't come in red. I had to paint it red. And no, it is not snap-on red, but it is close. And I've got two. Let's see here. Maybe they hang better like this. Only got two vice grips. They are nice vice grips though. And of course I'm waiting for a shelf, which I think I'll put that right here. My D-wall speaker. And yeah, so we're making progress. The Omni wall installed. Vice grip hanger up there for my nicer vice grips. And I think I'm waiting on a shelf to put that D-wall speaker up there. Maybe I'll have to find me a snap-on speaker. I have a feeling that they'll both sound the same though. But yeah, part 3 of the toolbox hutch build. And we're doing all right tonight. So, thanks for watching.